Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you all fine. Today our topic is market economy. Market means a place where exchange of goods and services is done between the buyers and the sellers. And from economy we mean an area where production, consumption and distribution takes place. So market economy means an economy which is based on market system. Recall your previous learning about the market mechanism, in which we have studied that market mechanism means a process in which all the economic decisions are taken with the help of prices. So an economic system which is based on market system, which is based on market mechanism, is known as market economy. A market economy is an economic system in which the decisions regarding investment, production and distribution are guided by the price signals created by the forces of supply and demand. It means that economic system, that economy in which all the economic decisions regarding production, what to produce, regarding investment, in which sector we should invest, whether we invest in industrial sector, in agriculture sector, in trade, in transportation or any other sector, production and distribution, all these decisions are guided by the prices, and that economy in which we get all informations, all the guidelines by the prices, is known as market economy. Or we may define market economy as an economic system which is governed, which is guided by the forces of price, is known as market economy. Now we discuss the working of market economy. In market economy, businesses aim to supply their products, goods and services at the highest prices. It means the businesses, the producers, the investors want to get the maximum price so that they could maximize their profit. For the maximum profit, they have to charge the maximum price. On the other hand, consumers are willing to pay. Consumers, a person who consumes something, who goes to market to purchase something, and he has to pay, while consumers look for the lowest prices. So these are the conflicting interests, producers and the consumers. Producers want to get the highest prices, whereas consumers wants to pay the lowest prices. So the consumer will try their best to get the goods and services at the lowest price so that they could maximize their satisfaction. The economy, in the activity in which market economy is unplanned. Unplanned means an economic system which is free economic system. There is no government intervention. Laissez-faire economy, that economy in which government do not interfere the economic activities. It is not organized by any central authority but is determined by the supply and demand of the goods and services. Now we discuss the advantages of market economy. An economy which is based on market system, what will be the main benefits or main advantages of that economy? The first one is proper allocation of resources. It means the resources are properly allocated, not the underutilization of the resources or the overutilization of the resources. When resources are properly allocated, for example, suppose we have a piece of land and there are number of options to utilize it. It may be used for the housing purpose, it may be used for the construction of hospital, it may be used for agriculture purpose, it may be used for industrial purpose. Now what decision will be taken? The decision, proper allocation, the decision regarding the proper allocation of resources will be come from the prices. Prices will provide the guideline where to allocate the resources, and with the help of price system, with the due to prices, the resources are automatically properly allocated. Suppose a resource is not properly allocated in its best use, then it will automatically be utilized. Due to this is the force of price, which will guide the producer or investor to take the proper decision about the allocation of his resources. Number next is self-interest. Since there is no government intervention, there is private ownership. A person who is owner of his own business, he has to take self-interest. Suppose he does not take proper interest, he will have to face the loss. So to avoid the loss, he has to take keen interest for getting the maximum profit, maximum benefits from his business. Number next is increased efficiency. A market economic system leads to increase the efficiency. Since there is competition, each and every firm has to face competition because of his rival firm, and when the producer or investor takes keen interest, it leads to increase the efficiency. And as a result, when efficiency increases due to self-interest and proper allocation of resources, there is increase in productivity. Production goes on increasing, and there is no wastage of resources. Resources are properly utilized. If labor is not properly working, is not efficient, that very easily can be replaced, and production is increased. Due to competition, there is increase in innovation. Due to competition, each and every firm tries its best to introduce the new thing, modernization, innovation. So these are the main benefits which are gained under the market economy. Market economic system, market economy, and economy which is based on market system, or we may say which is based on price mechanism, it enjoys the following, these which we have discussed, these advantages. So this is the end of our topic. Best of luck. Allah Hafiz.